I know your boyfriend's on his way over. You gotta get rid of me quick. I get it.
Oh, I have a boyfriend.
Said it.
I'm gonna have...
Good morning, Philippines!
Good morning, guys. Good morning, everything. Ano, guys? Tulog pa sila. Mahangin-hangin sa labas. Tignan niyo kung anong ginagawa niya. Doon niya nilagay yung ano. It's 8 o'clock na ng umaga. Badami. Labango. Naglagay ako ng Clorox dito kasi para naman matanggal yung mga manyak. Yak, tapos na yan. Itong basement, no, ang kalat talaga. Nakita nyo na to, guys, so hindi ko na ipakita ulit. Kasi maluloka kayo. Kasi ako every time na magpunta ako dito, naloka ako. Kay Tami man itong gawa. So, hindi ko alam kung hindi niya ito matatapos. Ako yung magtapos at alam na kung anong mangyayari kung ako yung magtapos. Kasi matapon. matapon talaga. Anyway. So, kakain lang tayo, guys. Yeah. And also, yung plano ko, guys, kasi marami pa akong plant. Marami akong plant na kalamansi, 3, 'di ba? 3 yung kalamansi. And meron tayong lime, meron tayong lemongrass. So, ang ano plano ko dito siya sa sliding door. Dito siya. And then ang gagawin ko, i-open ko tong sliding door. Ito siya open. And then lagyan ko na lang parang blocking para hindi makita ng kapitbahay itong buong basement na ganito. So, lagyan ko na lang ng parang screen. Ihahang ko dito para itago. Yung gagawin ko para maarawan siya daytime. Kasi hindi pwedeng sa loob. I mean, yung lime pwede sa taas. And then yung iba dito. Kasi mango pa pala. May mango pa tayo. So, anyway guys, kakain lang ako. Pabayaan ko lang namin matulog. Puti ni Tami. Hi, baby. Hello, love. You get up na. So, naglalaba-laba lang ako kasi may mga labahan ako. And, nagtapok na lahat. Hindi ko pa nalabhan. So, nilabhan natin. And, masarap maglaba ng puti, ano. Lalo lagyan mo ng Clorox. Mabango. At saka yung ano ko, Ariel at Clorox. Ang dawni. Ang bango. Ang bango-bango. So, ngayon, guys, gagawa po ako ng salad para madala ni Tami. Yung mga halaman ko, okay naman siya. Ang hirap dito sa mga plant na nilalagay ko is ano siya, magtubig, lalo na sa mga matataas. Hanap tayo ng ano, celery. Kailangan kong pumunta na sa tindahan, guys. Hala, walang celery si Tami. We don't have celery, baby love. Love! Hey, I eat bread. I know. I see you eat something.
That piece of line, drop a pack of salads left.
Yeah, I see. Sino pagkakit na yung din sa lubot, nagahi man yung lubutan. Anong gahi man yung lubutan? Son, you have to get a new coffee. Huh? Can I throw this out now? You said it's not good. One left here, right?
Yeah, I'll have it dunk it in the coffee. Put it in the refrigerator.
Oh, sorry. Oh, I don't have anything because I thought I'm not gonna eat it. I'm going to get a bell pepper. Do you want a bell pepper with this? I have bell pepper growing in there. Huh? Why? Bell pepper in salad. It's good. What's wrong with that? Huh?
Okay.
Goodness. Like, why you always say no?
What else scotch are you?
Can I hug you?
This is just scotch in the morning routine.
Guys, Roxy is still limping, guys. Hindi namin talaga alam kung anong nangyari sa paa niya. So, harvest tayo ng atsal. I-harvest natin ito. Green. And meron pa dito isa eh. Meron pa dito isa. Hanap tayong atsal. Maliit pa sila pero harvest. Harvest na natin. Yun. Din dito din, look. Oh, look. 3.
You'll be interested to grow that like that.
Why?
You say something.
No, if it's 3 pieces, I love you. So that's why you never give to people 3 pieces because they mean something. Yes. So never give 3 to God bless you. Kagabi, tumitingin ako sa Google kung ano yung mga ng aso. Like, kapag may naramdaman sila, like, suddenly walang ginagawa, and then, kasi yun yung nangyari kay Roxy kagabi. Wala siyang ginagawa, okay naman siya. Then, pagkatapos niyang tumalon galing sa couch, pababa kasi lalabas, doon na siya nag-start na ganun, oh. And then, si Tammy nakakita. So, yun. So, tinignan ko sa Google, sabi pa, may daw, 2 rason. No, arthritis or nalisa yung sa paa niya pagtalon or something. Ang lang daw, ang pwedeng gawin lang daw sa ganun is parang pa-relax lang sila ba? Hindi pwedeng ipatakbo-takbo. Ang problema nito kasi every time na palabasin sila tatakbo.
That's the last onion too, huh?
I'm gonna go get egg and onion.
I know, that's what you told me last week.
I'm going, hon. I'm going. Later. I guess I'm gonna cut the grass without my baby. Your last work, Monday?
Sunday.
Sunday. What is today?
Wednesday.
So next week, no work?
Not so far. Who knows?
Kanang tayo guys ng magka tayo ng onion. Even I wear glasses, it's still hurting my eyes. I mean teary eye. Even though I have glasses. Next time I'm gonna wear helmet. So naka-harvest tayo ng first harvest natin. Iwan na naman tayo guys, and then hindi ko siya makita hanggang Monday. He said he saw me, I'm vlogging. Kinuklos niya yung door kasi nakahubad pala eh. Naghubad si Mister. But anyway, so yun. Rocky. Nagganon pa siya guys. Ay, naawa naman ako sa baby ko eh. Naawa naman ako sa lablab ni mama eh. Dada's leaving guys. Roxy. Dada's leaving. Bye-bye. Alis na si Tami. Ito yung pagkain na pinadala ko. Salad, macaroni salad. Hindi niya alam. Pinadala ko yung lamb. Ayaw niya yung ganun. So, sekreto ko lang. Sinikreto ko nilagay dito. Alis na si Mister. Alis na yung Mister ko. Yung jacket daw niya is leather. Leather. So, nilinis niya. Is that the right cleaner? That's for the car cleaner, hon.
For leather. Doesn't have to be a car. There's a lot of dust we saw in here from sitting in the closet forever.
He's going to use that because it's getting colder and he need a jacket. It's really soft, guys, like the normal.
Baby's ass now.
Yeah. It's a nice to wear. It's like soft. It's not like other leather na kind of stiff, hard.
Well, there's different levels for different things. Like a motorcycle jacket, you don't want to be hard. That one's got to be very stiff. Because when you ride on a motorcycle 60 miles an hour and little pebbles come shooting at you like bullets. So you want something strong enough to stop a bullet.
Okay, say bye-bye to them.
I'm not going yet.
Not to my vlog.
I gotta have some coffee to finish.
Okay, hindi pa
You
pala
just throw
guys.
me out the door all the
Seriously,
time.
honey,
Always
seriously.
trying to get rid of me. Ah, get it.
I'm trying to get rid of you. Is that what it is?
Let's see it. I know your boyfriend's on his way over. You gotta get rid of me quick. I get it.
Oh, I have a boyfriend. Han, if I have a boyfriend, you will
Then
know.
you gotta go in the other room and call him back and time it different. Say, oh, you know, you gotta wait another half hour.
Han, if I have a boyfriend, I will let you know. Han!
I gotta brush my hair.
You You're so cute. You're so cute.
Time for another haircut, I guess.
Don't worry, Han. I don't have a boyfriend. I have a
No, you
husband.
didn't deny it when I first said it.
Ah, I have a husband.
I do.
Yeah, why
Can
do
I meet
you
him?
why you have a girlfriend? Han, do you have a girlfriend?
No way.
Han?
How am I gonna handle a girlfriend?
Oh, she's hurting, eh?
Go down. Down, down.
Roxy's hurting. Did you twist your hips, Rox?
The hips just come back.
Huh?
Good thing. Put a little knock shelter on her food. So it may help her.
We don't have that anymore.
It's in the cabinet. Sprinkle a little on her food every day. Maybe it'll help.
Maybe it's bad. You have to research it first.
Okay.
I feel bad when she suffered. Look. Sad yung mukha niya, guys. She looks sad. Baby.
They put it in water, but you really can't.
No.
Put it on the food. It doesn't have any flavor, so it won't make her say, oh, I don't want to eat this.
Rox. Mama, with Mama. You in pain? I know, I can see it in your face. You're in pain. I know. I love you. I love you. Tommy is trying to catch the fly.
Not a fly. Because a fly would be easy.
Oh no, it's not a fly, so what it is?
It's so small. I don't know what it is. A gnat. I hate fucking gnats. They're so small, you can't see them.
So yeah.
Very close. Not close.
Okay, you think you will come back the same place?
Yeah, for some reason he likes being here. Something around this is appealing to him.
Ay, nako, nako.
They like plants. Oh, they're gonna need your help here, kid.
You get it.
Really? I don't think so.
Huh?
He's not squished on my hands. So I'm guessing
Ala, you went up here.
I may, who knows, I may get an early night and decide to come back here. I don't know what to expect from this
That would be
festival.
nice.
Because the only real day I got left is Sunday. These are all special days, so I don't know what to expect from them. I have no schedule for them at all.
So tell me when you're coming, because if my boyfriend here,
I'll give you a warning so you don't get. Just make sure he doesn't forget his shoes.
Cinderella.
'Cause I'll know if they're not my shoes. I'll recognize it.
Honey, I'm not gonna cheat on you, honey. Honestly. Honestly and heartily, and oh my god, I'm not
Don't
gonna.
forget the shoes.
I'm not going to cheat on my baby. I will do it
You're
because.
afraid to get caught? Come on,
No,
don't
you know what? You really think I'm gonna have? You really think I'm gonna have a boyfriend, hon?
No,
I'm going to cheat on you?
I'm having fun with you. Unlike you, who gets serious. Love you, Ann. I leave it. Bye, guys. Give them a trees. Love you, Ann.
I love you too. Oh my god, it's nice to really kiss this freaking butt. Just kidding. Just kidding. Honey, it's really soft. Hello guys, nanonood ako ng Tolfo. Di ba yung, oh my god, nakakairita, nakakagalit. Nakakagalit. Yung apat, yung nang-rape ng bata, ginuo ko, yung mga pulisya, walang ginagawa. Ginuo ko na ano ako, nanonood ako ng Tolfo. And, kakain tayo, kumain, naiyak ako guys sa galit guys. And, kakain tayo ng ano, tawag nito, century tuna na kalamansi. So, sabi ko, mag-ano ako ng ano, masarap ito igisa sa itlog. Kaso, wala nga akong itlog. So, wala akong itlog. Nandun kay Tami, dala-dala. Doon kay Tami, dala-dala yung itlog. Hindi man lang inano sa akin. Iniwan yung dalawang itlog niya. Pwede na sana yung pangsagol. Anyway. So, yun. Kanina lang siya umalis. Nagluto ako ng rice kasi nagutom ako, guys. Yun. Mamaya pa yan. At gulay lang yung ano natin. So, kakain lang ako ng lunch. Gusto ko sanang umalis. Ito na naman tayo. Gusto kong umalis pero nag-iba na naman yung isip ko. I think bukas na ako. I think. Kasi hindi naman ako kumakain ng itlog palagi. As in, hindi. Alam nyo naman yan. Bread ako ng coffee and then hindi ako maitlog. So, ngayon, continue tayo mag-edit ng video. Edit lang tayo and I think I have to change this news. We have to change it. Upo lang muna tayo. Masakit yung liig ko dito, guys. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Nakakasad na wala dito asawa ko, guys. Kasi, nag-ano lang ako. Parang natulala. Nakatingin ako sa laptop ko. Nag-i-edit ako. And then, ganun lang. And then yung iniisip ko is, anong plano ko? Pupunta ba ako few days from now? Saturday? Para makita si Tami. Ay nako. Ay nako. Ay nako. Ay nako. Hindi ko nga natapos itong fina-finalize ko na video dahil natulala. Ang hirap guys. Oy. It's been 3 years kami hindi nagsama. I mean, kita-kita. Bahay naman namin to, diba? Pumupunta siya dito every week. Nung 3 years since nabili namin. Nakabalik lang siya dito nung nakapunta-punta lang siya dito noong nag-start na yung COVID. Yung dito na talaga siya. Pero hindi ko inakala na nakayanan ko yung 3 years. Na kami lang dito ng mga alaga namin. And then, pumupunta-punta man siya dito 2 days a week. Yun na, pumunta siya dito every Monday. Nakakapagod, ano? Inisip mo ba 3 years? And then, every Monday, pumunta siya dito, paminsan late na. And then, the next day, pagka Tuesday, aalis na naman siya nasa mga 7 o'clock ng gabi. Di ba, nakayanan ko yun? Pero naanuhan ko na, grabe, 3 years, ganun. And then ngayon, dito na siya for few months dahil sa virus na ito. Parang nanibago na naman ako na babalik siya, dito siya, and then mga saya kasi andito siya, and then mga ilang balik trabaho, wala na naman. Anyway guys, so nag-ano lang ako, natulaling. Look, iba to, kasi she just let me do it. You know, she usually, and then, massage ko lang siya. Wala naman siya, hindi naman siya na kumikibo. Kasi makikita mo talaga siya nasasaktan ba, masakit. Mali pala yung hinawakan ko. Okay, let me see where is hurting you.
These days, everyone expects you to like everything and be positive. But with my depression, it's hard.
Oh, this one I hurt.
Hide my symptoms.
This one. This one hurt.
Many people
Which may be permanent. Increased cholesterol, weight gain, high blood sugar, decreased white blood cells, compulsive behaviors, dizziness.
I'm sorry, baby. I hope you feel better few days from now, huh? I hope you do. I love you. Mama loves you so much. Mama loves you.
international litter that actually works.
Hi guys, i-in ko na tong vlog. So, if hindi pa si Roxy okay, next week, anuhin lang namin siya. Kasi guys, ang mahal ng guys, pa-vet. Ang mahal. So, anuhan lang namin, obserbahan namin siya the whole this week. And then, Monday, Tuesday, kung hindi pa rin siya okay, dalhin namin siya sa vet. Kung bakit siya naglilimping or bakit may naramdaman siya sa leg niya. So I'm going to end this vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope guys you subscribe and hit the bell button. I will see you guys sa mga susunod na vlog. Bye! Good night guys!